Matt the Plumber here from Fox Valley Plumbing, today to talk about the Navian NPE 240A. This is the tankless water heater of choice by Fox Valley Plumbing. Reason being, this tankless water heater is designed to retrofit from a tank. So ease of installation with a 2-inch vent. Also, what we like about this unit, all stainless steel interior. This particular unit has a 1.3 liter buffer tank. The buffer tank will allow water to recirculate inside the unit to eliminate the cold water sandwich. This unit also fires the gas from up above onto the heat exchanger. Gas comes from up here, goes into this fan, and shoots down in a downward fashion. Why this is a benefit to you is the heat exchanger remains free from debris. When the heat exchanger's underneath, it ends up getting debris dropped into it. This unit is extremely energy efficient and is the newest one on the market. If you'd like more information about the Navian NPE 240A, please give us a call or look us up on the web at foxvalleyplumbing.com.